Hello students, today I will tell you the characters of superclass Pisces. Habitat. These are aquatic animals. They live in water and are present in fresh water, marine water and brackish water. Body temperature. Pisces are poikilothermic animals. That is, they are cold-blooded animals in which body temperature changes according to the change in the surrounding temperature. Sensory organs. They have lateral line system which shows the presence of rheoreceptors for the detection of water current. Locomotion done by body muscles and fins. Caudal fin, tail fin helps in steering wheel. Skeleton. Exoskeleton is made up of dermal scales. It is either bony or cartilaginous. Body shape streamline and boat shape and helps to overcome resistance during swimming. Respiration is by gills. Circulation shows single and closed circulation. Heart is two-chambered and ventral in position. Heart of fishes is described as venous heart because they receives blood only from veins and thus always shows presence of deoxygenated blood. Nervous system, well-developed brain with large olfactory lobes. Reproduction, sexes are separate. Most of the fishes are oviparous. However, some are viviparous. Superclass Pisces is further divided into Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. So let's see the difference between these two classes. Chondrichthyes, they are cartilaginous fishes. Osteichthyes are bony fishes. In Chondrichthyes, endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. In Osteichthyes, it is made up of bones. Exoskeleton is made up of minute scales called placoid scales. Osteichthyes, exoskeleton is made up of large, flat and overlapping cycloid or stenoid scales. In Chondrichthyes, mouth is ventral in position. Osteichthyes, mouth is terminal in position. Chondrichthyes, there is a single dorsal fin and two pairs of lateral fin, that is pectoral and pelvic fin. Osteichthyes, two dorsal fins are present. 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits without operculum are present. So in Chondrichthyes, operculum is absent. Osteichthyes, 4 pairs of gills covered by operculum are present. In Chondrichthyes, caudal fin, tail fin is heterocercal, asymmetrical. Osteichthyes, caudal fin is homocercal. In Chondrichthyes, males have copulatory organ called clasper located between the pelvic fins. But in Osteichthyes, male lacks clasper. Here air bladder is absent, whereas in Osteichthyes, air bladder is present to maintain buoyancy. Thus, these fishes do not need to swim constantly. In Chondrichthyes, fertilization is internal and in Osteichthyes, fertilization is external. Chondrichthyes, many of them are viviparous. they give birth directly to young ones, whereas in Osteichthyes, they are oviparous. Example in Chondrichthyes are Scoliodon, that is dogfish, Pristis, sawfish, electric ray, common skate, hammer-headed shark, Carcharodon, that is great white shark, Trigon, stingray, Anoxipristis. Example in Osteichthyes are Exocetus, that is flying fish, Hippocampus, sea horse, Labiorota, Pomfret, Cutla, Clarius, that is magur, Sterophyllum, angelfish, Bombay duck, lungsfish, Protopterus, aquarium fishes like Betta, that is fighting fish,